Hello friends, welcome to Induja's Passion. This is a new Boult Audio X1 and I bought it in Tata Click because it's cheaper than Amazon. Okay, quickly I'll unbox it. Let me focus on what exactly they showed on the box. They say the logo Boult Audio X1. I bought black color because I like black, and this is L-shaped connector and it has extra bass and sound quality is HD with a built-in mic and built-in micro woofers. So 6 features. Right, now we'll focus on what we have inside the box. We have extra earbuds, comparatively less if you compare to Boat earbuds. They give around like 8 to 10, but it's fine. And this is the main earphones. As they say, this is L-shaped connector with 3.5 mm jack, and this is the logo or the brand name, and this is the logo. They have the microphones here, indicators whether they provided left or right, which is R. We have left and right indicators, and there is one microphone here, mic, and this single button to operate for calls. And let me check the length of this. The length is around 1 meter, that's what I can see, and which is enough for the daily usage. Even we can use this for laptop, movies, or calls, audio calls and video calls. So let's see how the competitor of Boat, because Boat is leading in India in audio industry, headphones and speakers industry. So this is something which is come recently, Boult Audio. So I'll compare this. I'll post a video of comparison later. Thanks for watching.